You know what's worse than spending your Saturday pushing a mower around? Spending next Saturday doing it again because your machine couldn't handle the job. Or worse, yanking that starter cord like you're starting a chainsaw only to hear nothing. Toro's 2026 lineup just changed the game. We're talking about the first real bridge between gas-powered reliability and battery technology that actually keeps up. The kind of stuff that makes you finish your yard and still have energy left for the cookout. I've spent the last month digging into every spec, every feature, and every real-world application of these 6 mowers. From the budget-friendly Warrior to the zero-turn beast that'll make your neighbors stop and stare. We're covering it all. We're counting down from number 6 to number 1. Mine, where you'll meet the mower that's basically a luxury sports car for your lawn. By the way, all product links are in the description below. Number 6. Toro Recycler, 22-inch gas, Model 21442. You've got a quarter acre or less, maybe some slopes. You want American-made reliability without selling a kidney. The 21442 runs on a 150 cubic centimeter Briggs & Stratton engine. No oil changes ever. Just check it and top it off. The 22-inch steel deck pairs with Vortex technology, which is basically a tornado under your deck pulling more air through the chamber. More air means finer clippings, what Toro calls lawn vitamins, that feed your grass instead of suffocating it. Personal pace self-propel adjusts to your walking speed automatically. Up to 4.8 miles per hour. No buttons, no levers. Just walk, and it matches you. Your lawn gets a professional stripe pattern because those ultra-fine clippings redistribute nutrients evenly. The Super Bagger holds more, so you're not constantly stopping to empty. It's front-wheel drive. On steep hills or wet grass, you might lose traction compared to AWD or RWD models. But for flat to moderate terrain, it's a workhorse that'll last a decade. This is the mower that starts every time, requires almost zero maintenance, and handles typical American yards with zero drama. It's under $500 at most dealers, and it's the foundation of Toro's reputation. Number 5. Toro 60-volt Max 22-inch Recycler, Model 21466. You've got up to a third of an acre. You're sick of gas, oil, and pull cords. You want quiet operation and zero emissions. The 21466 runs on Toro's FlexForce 60-volt battery system with a 6.0 ampere-hour battery that gives you about 40 minutes of runtime, enough to cut up to a third of an acre. The brushless motor is maintenance-free and delivers consistent power without fade. Personal Pace Auto Drive uses RunSmart onboard intelligence, actual AI-level tech, to sense when you're going uphill and sends extra juice to the wheels. Downhill, it conserves battery. It's like having cruise control that thinks for you. SmartStow lets you fold this thing vertically, saving 70% of your garage space. The steel deck gives you mulching quality that rivals gas mowers, and Vortex technology keeps clippings ultra-fine. You can mow early morning or late evening without waking the neighborhood. No winterizing, no stale gas, no carburetor cleanings. And since it's part of the FlexForce system, your battery works with 75 plus other Toro tools. Runtime is fixed by battery size. If you've got more than a third of an acre, you'll need a second battery. And at around $800 with battery and charger, it's pricier upfront than gas. This is 2026's sweet spot for suburban yards. Clean, quiet, powerful, and smart. Number 4. Toro Super Recycler. 21 inches. Model 21565. You care about your lawn, like really care. You want professional level cut quality. You've got up to half an acre with some uneven terrain. The 21565 features a commercial-grade cast aluminum deck that'll outlast your mortgage. Unlike stamped steel, cast aluminum is rust-proof and maintains its shape forever. The Super Recycler cutting system uses dual blade accelerators, think mini samurai swords, combined with underdeck wedges that slice clippings into microscopic pieces. Powered by a 163 cubic centimeters Briggs & Stratton EXE engine, 7.25 foot-pound torque, with no oil changes. The flex handle suspension isolates vibration from your hands like a luxury car's shock system. You can mow for hours without your hands going numb. Vortex technology here is maximized with a commercial-grade bagging tunnel that pushes clippings to the back of the bag, so you're actually filling it completely. Your lawn will look like a golf course fairway. The dual blade system creates that professional stripe effect lawn care nerds dream about. And because the clippings are so fine, they decompose in hours, meaning no brown clumps after you mow. It weighs 93 pounds. That's hefty compared to the standard recycler. And at around $800, it's not cheap. But this mower is built for people who view their lawn as an extension of their home's curb appeal. If cut quality is your priority, nothing in the walk-behind category touches this. Number 3. Toro Time Master 30 inches, Model 21200. You've got 3/4 of an acre to 1.5 acres. You're tired of spending 3 hours every Saturday pushing a 21-inch mower. Time is money. The 21200 features a 30-inch cutting deck that's 40% wider than standard mowers. Powered by a 223 cubic centimeter Briggs & Stratton OHV engine, 10 foot-pound torque with electric start. No pulling. Push a button and you're mowing. The dual force cutting system uses 2 counter-rotating Toro atomic blades timed to cut in sync. This creates an overlapping cut pattern that mulches grass into powder. Personal pace adjusts to speeds up to 4.5 miles per hour, and the traction assist handle gives you extra control on hills. Spin-stop blade brake lets you step away from the mower without shutting off the engine. Picking up sticks? Just release the handle. Blades stop, engine keeps running. You'll cut your mowing time nearly in half. What took 2 hours now takes 50 minutes. The quick stow handle folds down, so despite being 30 inches wide, it stores in the same footprint as a 21-inch mower. It weighs 145 pounds, so you're not tossing this into your truck bed solo. And tight spaces around landscaping? You'll need to trim afterward. This is built for open acreage. If you've got land and want your weekends back, the Time Master is non-negotiable. Around $1,400 to $1,700 and worth every penny. Number 2. Toro 60-volt Max Enemy Master 30 inches, Model 21493. You want Time Master speed and width, but battery power. You've got up to 2/3 of an acre. You're willing to invest in the future of lawn care. The 21493 is Toro's battery-powered answer to the gas Time Master. It features a 30-inch steel deck with cast aluminum frame, dual-force cutting technology, and 3 active battery ports. It comes with one 10 ampere-hour, one 5 ampere-hour, and one 2.5 ampere-hour battery, 17.5 ampere-hour total, giving you up to 58 minutes of runtime and cutting capacity for up to 0.65 acres. Here's where it gets crazy. Dual LED headlights for early morning or evening mowing. Push-button start. Personal pace auto drive that senses hills and adjusts power instantly. And the same quick stow handle. The 3-battery system means you can upgrade to larger batteries. 10 ampere-hours times 3 equals up to 100 minutes runtime and 1.1 acres. Run Smart Intelligence optimizes RPMs and torque in real time, giving you more power when you need it, less when you don't. Zero gas, zero oil, zero emissions. You can mow anytime without noise complaints. Maintenance is limited to blade sharpening and cleaning. The LED lights mean you're not limited to midday mowing. This is Toro's premium battery option, around $2,000 to $2,500 with batteries. And if you have more than an acre, you'll need to pause mid-mow to recharge or invest in additional batteries. This is the future. If you can afford it and your property fits the runtime range, it's game-changing. Number 1. Toro Titan MyRide Zero Turn, Model 76511. You've got an acre or more. You're done walking. You want commercial power with luxury car comfort. Your lawn is your pride. The Titan MyRide is Toro's flagship residential zero-turn, built like a commercial mower for homeowners who refuse to compromise. At its heart, a 26-horsepower Kohler KT745, V-twin engine, 747 cubic centimeters. This is serious power, the kind that doesn't bog down in tall, wet grass. The 54-inch iron-forged deck is heavy-duty steel with a reinforced bullnose leading edge. It's designed to take hits from rocks, roots, and whatever else your property throws at it. Commercial-style drop-pin height adjustment gives you 9 cutting positions. But the game changer? MyRide suspension. The operator platform is isolated from the mower frame with suspension that absorbs bumps, ruts, and uneven terrain. You're literally floating above the deck. And this means you can mow at full speed, 8.5 miles per hour, over rough ground without your spine turning into a jackhammer. Massive 22-inch rear tires with aggressive tread give you traction on hills. Treaded front casters provide precision steering. The gaming-style 20-inch seat feels like sitting in a sports car. And the commercial-style I-beam front end is built for extreme durability. You'll finish an acre in under 30 minutes. Your back won't hurt. The dual hydrostatic HGZT2800 transmission gives you instant response. And with a 5-gallon fuel tank, you're not stopping for refills on large properties. It's $6,999 to $7,299. This is an investment, and if you've got tons of tight landscaping, a zero-turn isn't ideal. This is the apex predator of residential mowers. If you've got the property and the budget, nothing delivers this combination of speed, comfort, and durability. Here's the honest breakdown. Choose gas. If you've got more than an acre, need unlimited runtime, or want the absolute most power for thick growth. The Time Master. 21,200 and Titan 76511 deliver raw performance that batteries still can't match for extended use. Choose battery if you've got under an acre, value quiet operation and zero maintenance, or live in noise-restricted areas. The 21466 and 21493 represent legitimate gas replacements now, not compromises. The bridge between both worlds? Toro's hybrid approach. The Super Recycler 21565 still dominates pure cut quality with gas, while the E-Time Master 21493 proves batteries can handle serious acreage. 2026 isn't about choosing sides anymore. It's about choosing the right tool for your specific property. So there you have it, Toro's 2026 lineup from budget-friendly to backyard royalty. If you're ready to upgrade, remember, every link is in the description below. Now here's my question for you. Are you making the switch to battery this year, or are you sticking with gas power? Drop a comment below. I read every single one. And if this helped you make a decision, hit that subscribe button. We've got deep dives on zero turns, battery systems, and lawn care tech coming all season long. See you in the next one.